Welcome. Welcome to the live session. Welcome, guys and girls. So let's another start another trading day. And after yesterday's pretty massive move to the upside, we can see gold was in a little bit in a consolidation. At the moment, I think gold might again prepare for another bounce. Here is we can see there is a multiple support retest, and I was planning to open a trade in that area. So just looking at to see how we can find that opportunity. This is a pretty important support level, and looks like that gold, you can see this is an important support on the 5-minute chart. Support here, liquidity grab, and then bounce consolidation. And I think that gold might respect this potential level in that area. And this is the 15 minutes candle. We can see there's a multiple liquidity grab. Series of higher low formation. Also, you can see from this resistance, we can see the market drop to that support. It's important to see either gold is bouncing from here or it's breaking below. I hope that you guys are enjoying this live session, beginning just the session. If you are having any question, you can let me know. Here, I think that gold might short term, there might be a bounce here. I would like to open buy on gold with, again guys, keep in mind that it's a probability. So 25 to 26 pip stop loss with 3 to 1 reward to risk. I will be later explaining the strategy behind why I'm opening buy. Just after this 5-minute candle, the market trying to bounce back up. Stop loss below this low, expecting this structure to break to the upside. So based on the 15-minute chart, I'm going long on gold from this level. Stop loss at 2417.63. TP target at 2428.75. We had early today also one trade. So I'll be analyzing in depth the trade. First, let's see how the market is doing here. So there is you can see this is a smooth support level on gold, and from that smooth support we can see this is a 15 minutes candle, which is basically closing in 2 minutes, and the market is forming series of higher low. We saw that there is a pretty strong bounce, and with this bounce we saw double bottom, and then in that area we can see the market trying to move back to the upside. So let me know guys if you have entered the trade. I hope that, I don't know why this the stream is showing error. I hope that you guys can see the stream without any um buffering. Thank you. Let me know guys if you are here. We are just open buy on gold, and also in depth we will be discussing about the strategy and everything. So make sure you stick till then. Also there is a giveaway like we do every day. There will be liquidity candle giveaway. So to stay with the competition, to win the liquidity candle like every day, make sure guys you stay active in the chat and stick till the end to get into that competition of liquidity candle, to be a winner of that. Welcome. Thank you. Log, good morning, good day, coach. Thanks for your support and mentorship. Welcome Sirajo, thank you for your being here as an valued member in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Yeah, that's what we need. We create traders here. It's important that you always have positive and progressive attitude to learn and grow as a trader, which is very important. Stream lagging, I think it's fixed now. Thank you. Welcome. So I'm just open buy here on gold, and you can see there is a pretty strong bullish price action. I will be explaining in depth. This is based on the liquidity. This is a liquidity candle, and if you are not sure about liquidity candle, also stick till the end. We'll be discussing more. And also likes, guys, likes is almost 1/6 of the views, so I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support. Now it's pushing high. Thank you. Okay. It's a pretty, my stop loss is always very tight because I don't want to keep a big risk. If I'm wrong, I will be stopped out very quickly. If I'm right, I will be running it. So it is. And we have pretty bigger TP target. I didn't put the below the structure because if I'm wrong, I will just stop out here and we'll be re-entering if needed. But if we are right, within a short time, we can gain some pip here. So there is a bullish candle followed by, here you can see it's in a, so you are long on gold, and in the meantime traders will see that how far it is going. I hope that the stream is not having any buffering. Sometimes it does. I don't know why suddenly it's showing that it's buffering. Thank you. Ice cream, welcome. Which price gold buy? Sui bought at it depends on the current market price. With the current market price, with around 26 pip stop loss. Which is the double bottom. Okay, so here is the double bottom. Okay, so there is a double bottom here. And the 1 hour candle here on gold. Okay, we see some improvement in bouncing. So now if it drops, we will lose 26 pip, but we will be re-entering after reconfirmation. At the moment, still holding it near the entry. Is there a major news today? Yeah, there is news. Quite a few news already been published. So today, yeah, there are quite a few news coming up. It's a very important day, and definitely we'll see good news coming, which will be in 10:15 ADP non-farm, employment change. Early we saw euro and JPY, and then 10:30 CAD and dollar. Pretty volatile day. Before the news, we might be able to take some steps with this trade, either taking profit or going somewhere, and then if we need to re-enter, we will be entering again. In the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. For more content, ideas, and strategies, join the free Telegram channel, also the free Discord. You can find also link below this video. I can share with you for the free Telegram. It's already given there in the live chat. You can use it. And yeah, stay connected for all educational, free education and content. If you want to join the mentorship, you can wait for the updated liquidity candle coming, and then you can join. In the meantime, stay connected with the free Telegram channel for all ideas and trade ideas and content like that. Okay, here expected, there is a liquidity zone here as well. See, we are almost near the entry. Getting rejection from the top, so we need to exit on the halfway. We need to so 1 minute chart. So we had early today on Gbpusd. So gold is so if we look at the 1 minute, you want to see that what's happening, because the price is nearly going to entry again, and so we are nearing to the entry. We need to look at to see what we will be doing with the trade, unless we see a clean price action. Okay, getting rejection. We might see again order block. Coming to the order block, So this is the 1 hour price action. Looking at the 30 minutes, almost nearly to the candle close. Okay, we see 1 minute rejection, and here if we see the market is at the entry, which we see the rebound, and okay, this is structure on the 1 minute. Okay, there's a gap opening and wanting to see continuation, or so 1 minute bullish engulfer, which is expecting it to break above, because this is a support. Okay, holding it. If we can catch some peep here and then re-entering again later possible. First of all, let's wait for the market to rebound to the upside. We're almost nearing to the entry. That is where the thing is, that it's getting again rejection from the top. So thank you for update on GBPJPY. We'll be looking at that. We'll be looking at GJ. We saw that we had a massive trade early today based on the liquidity on GBPJPY, and we'll be discussing on that as well. So GBPJPY also bearish. We can see pretty strong bearish candle formation. We'll be looking at that. Okay, gold, we can see another bounce here. Okay, we see bounce and almost moved up, which let's see what it is trying to do here. Should we be holding or should we be doing anything? Okay, I just entered near to my profit area. Looking at here. This is a pretty weird price action on the 1 minute, and so we are entering into the area where if we need to see what's happening, let me see. Okay, from 1 minute we can see there is an inverted head and shoulder, and that might lead a little bit to the upside. If we close, you want to secure some peep, and then we will be seeing that what's happening. We should be running and closing, or let me see, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. The structure that you see that on gold currently near to the entry with little profit running. Okay, so you can see bounce, which is entering into the profit area now. Gold, let's see, we are around 14 pip, 15 pip up, 15 pip profit running. We'll see that let's see what's happening. It is going up further or dropping down again. Okay, I'll be taking this 15 pip up. I'll be taking that 15 pip profit here, and then we'll be re-entering once we find further price action confirmation, as it may not be very strongly bullish. So I'm taking that 15 pip, taking this 15 pip of profit. We will be re-entering once we find further entry. Okay, so don't miss out. We will be re-entering again. Let's catch some peep here. Let me confirm, guys, if you have done that. Have you done that? And then we'll be looking at again for further confirmation. We might see that bounce, but we'll see how far it goes, and then we'll be re-entering once the market will grab more liquidity. As there is a news coming, we might see that a spike. So let me know how many traders have lucky enough to open and close with the running profit. What is the reason for the entry? That's a very good question. That's the question that I'm asking that everyone to ask. I guess there is no delay in this live session. I see there is a little bit of thank you. Are you guys with me? Can you let me know that? And then we will be discussing more on that. So got it. Yeah, that's the question. One trade, winning or losing may not make liquidity candle. Very good, very good. Welcome, well done. Liquidity candle. Yeah, that's where it is. Liquidity candle. I closed. Okay, and then cooking. Welcome. Closed at 16 pip. Yeah, good job. Okay, so that's where the entries. Liquidity candle. So what is liquidity candle? Liquidity candle is the candle created by the smart money volume. Okay, so when there is a smart money traders trading the market without looking at, you can look at the liquidity candle. Now, more understanding about the liquidity candle, there will be the mentorship is closed now currently, but today, as you know, that tomorrow is NFP. Today also we had a news coming up. So tomorrow, after tomorrow, NFP. Let me see them. Forex factory. Can we see bounce? And so ADP non-farm employment change coming, and then coming up later today, pending home sales, federal fund rate, FOMC later today. Pretty big day, guys. Are you excited to trade all of them with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy? If you are, then I have, before this live session, we are having chat with some of the members. So um, we have decided to take some members today to join mentorship. Though we are currently closed due to we are updating our liquidity candle strategy, but I need to go to the incognito mode. Okay, so you see the rejection. Now we might see the drop. I'm out of the trade. Let me see how many spots that we had with a discounted price, not the regular one. So we can take few members today to be part of the trading community where you can access the liquidity candle. You can get access to all my trade, VIP chat group, VIP signal group, as well as all my strategy in a course format, advanced as well as the foundation course. Also, all my indicators as well as the expert advisors. You can get access all of them, all my personal trading strategies. If you express your interest here now, before we get into the next trade, before we understand what the strategy is, also there will be regular VIP live trading room access. Also, we had integrated before the live trading room. In the middle, we were mostly focusing on education. Now we will be also again coming back to the VIP live trading room as well, along with the YouTube live trading, and you can get access to all of them. So I would like to know how many members at the moment here on this live chat would like to join, and let's see that how many spots that we can take. Okay, so Almaruf, can it be back 20 MA? We'll be looking at coach. I entered the market, liquidity. Okay, like to join. Well, so for those who will be joining, I see that there are few, because we every time we give big sell during the NFP, so it's still 2 days remaining. But I'm sharing with the same coupon with another additional $200 off on top of already what you have. But the spots are very limited, so as soon as I share, you need to use it so that it's not getting expired or not being used, because it's not unlimited numbers, so you can use it right now. Let me share with you. It's a additional $200 off coupon. So I have given you, and you can use it right now on the website access checkout. Once you place the order, check your email for all the links and updates. So you can click the link, visit the website, use the coupon to get access to liquidity candle, lifetime access to everything, including my trading tools, strategies, as well as the VIP chat group, VIP signal group, and also all my indicators and expert advisors. So given the coupon in the live chat, JN995JQ4. Once you are on the website, click find out more, and once you click find out more, it will take you to the checkout is the plan page. Choose the lifetime access and then use that coupon to get access to another additional $200 off on top. Basically, you will be joining almost with nothing to get access to everything which is getting upgraded at the moment, and it might go well above, so you can take that advantage right now. So with that said, let's jump on to the next opportunity. Now, before I go to the next trade, that you can see from here, that's why I exited, because this is approaching the resistance, and you can see the market again return back. We secured 15 pip on that. And let's quickly look at the Gbpusd. Now, before we go to the Gbpusd, also this is the power of liquidity candle, guys. It's not something that you can ignore when you find it. Let's see, this is the 15-minute chart, and we had taken 80 pip early today, 2 trades back to back. One is Gbpusd, now the other one is gold. We have taken 80 pip in 10 minutes time. I have shared the same ideas in the free Telegram channel also, so you can check it out on the free Telegram channel, what was shared in the free Telegram channel. So if you look at Gbpusd, I will be, before we go to the next opportunity, let's quickly review the trade, because what worked out definitely is something that you can look at, so that exactly. It's very hard to find the actual trade that works, so that's why it is important. This was the trade was sent out early today. Let me review the trade, and then we'll be looking to see which one coming up next. Now, looking at Gbpusd, this is the VIP trade. Okay, so looking at Gbpusd, you can see this is the entry, stop loss, TP target, and we had bigger stop because they're very volatile. Quickly have taken, this is the liquidity candle formation. That's why I brought that up, because when you look at the liquidity candle, let's see what did I looked at, and let me turn on the liquidity candle. Okay, so let me replay the chart here. See, this is a clean breakdown after forming this head and shoulder. 15 minutes on Gbpusd, and then formation of liquidity candle. You can see it's a clean liquidity candle. Arrow down, which is sell. One of our members today asked a question, so it's a very important question. Let me bring that up also. Thanks Ari for asking this question. So let me bring that up. It's important that you bring that up as well. So let's see here. Okay, so Ari asked about the liquidity candle. Guys, I always encourage you to ask question. The recent Gbpusd liquidity candle trade, the candle was a bearish candle with a green text for liquidity candle. Okay, this is the note. is that a bearish signal, and then a bullish candle with red text be a bearish signal? Just trying to make sure I'm reading the indicator properly. Okay, very good question. Keep in mind, your everyone. So when you see liquidity candle formation, color of the text doesn't matter. Anyway, I will tell the tech guy to fix that as well, to make the color also red if you find it hard to understand. But when you see the liquidity candle formation, when the candle color is the most important, not the text. If the candle is red, it's a bearish on liquidity candle. If, for example, if we look at the bullish liquidity candle, you can see these two, both of them are incredible trades. So this one, you can see it's a liquidity candle, but the color of the candle is green, so you will be it's a bullish. This one is bearish because it's red. So not the text color, but the color of the candle. Now, I did not enter with this candle because when I was looking at, had to look at other factors. So, and then this is the candle that I have entered, and that has given us this quick 80 pip gain in just a matter of less than 10 minutes. Now, when you have the tool, for those who have got access, you can turn it on and review it together to see if you can find understanding. If you don't understand, don't hesitate to ask questions. I always encourage you to ask questions. So with that said, we've taken the trade on liquidity candle on Gbpusd that has given us that 80 pip early today. And now we will look at to see what is our next opportunity, to see where we can find our next trade. Let's look at the Gbpusd. And looking at Gbpusd, okay, so looking at the daily chart to see. Now from the daily, we can see also bearish engulfer. Okay, this is also a liquidity candle. It's not showing, but this is also a liquidity candle. And we have seen a complete breakdown after 2 days of consolidation. Bearish engulfer today. After retest, we see a complete rejection, and this drop may take GJ to drop down further. With the monthly here, see that before the monthly close, it's just keep pushing down, and it might drop back to this here. It's a pretty big strong pullback. And now, so because in a very strongly downtrend, this is the 15 minutes again. Here is creating series of lower high, waiting for GJ to bounce, grab liquidity, and then to trend in that direction. Okay, so we'll be re-entering as soon as we will find further confirmation. I strongly believe that, guys, you have understood and understanding how we are trading here based on liquidity and the smart money trading strategy. Thank you. Okay. Thanks for joining the live session. So we'll be looking to see here gold, we are off on it. Now GBPJPY, the market trend is strongly bearish. Good trade, thank you. Scream, welcome. Coach, I entered the market 2410. So you entered 2410. Okay, so this you're running a very good profit on that. Can I hold the trade till NFP? I don't know. Oh, should hold it or no? What strategy used? What was the reason behind the trade? What's your risk? There's a lot of factors. I only can tell the trade that I'm opening or I'm suggesting. Can it come back to 20 EMA? No one knows. It can or it cannot. So it's already on the 20 EMA on the 15 minutes. What time frame you're looking at? The only way, the trading works is all about the probability. Being humble is the best thing as a trader. I found many traders that in the past who were very confident about the direction, sometimes ready to take the whole account at risk in their opinion, but being flexible is the most wisest decision as a trader, because anytime anyone can be wrong in trading. And that is why also it is so difficult sometimes to be profitable as a trader, because our brain is wired to be right all the time, and it's very difficult for accepting being wrong, because it creates a lot of discomfort in being wrong, right? So it's sometimes called the cognitive dissonance, which is basically going against our pre-existing belief. Trading is also kind of belief, right? So let's say someone believes that the market will go up. It's a belief, and that basically makes the market move. And someone believes that, okay, the market will go up, and then he is wrong or she is wrong. And that's where it comes to accepting that being wrong is sometimes difficult, isn't it? So that's why developing a trading psychology is being comfortable or being uncomfortable or being wrong. And at the same time, the more time you can be wrong, the better you will be as a trader. It doesn't mean that you lose always, but because you will keep your focus even when you are wrong. It's not about the winning, but it is about the losing trade, how you handle it. We'll look for another opportunity as soon as you will find it. Thank you for joining the live session. Good morning. Liquidity candle. Yes, liquidity candle is being upgraded. We already have the liquidity candle. You can see we traded the gold based on liquidity candle. GBPJPY, we have traded based on liquidity candle. Now, if you want to see a little bit of a glimpse of that, is this one is the liquidity candle. Not only this indicator, but it's a full strategy currently being upgraded in the academy. So if you are joining today, we have few spots opened only for limited number, and that's why, so that it fills quickly. There is a $200 additional discounted coupon available. You can use that right now in the website checkout on the lifetime and join it. to be part of. And at the end of this live session also there is a giveaway. There will be one liquidity candle will give away to the members, so make sure you stick till the end. Write more and more liquidity on the chat side, guys, so that it's been on your favor. If you re-entered on gold, my live is a bit slow. Not you, I think today somehow the stream looks a little bit of lagging. No, I haven't re-entered. Waiting for another entry, not only on gold but also in Gbpusd and other pairs. Gbpusd analysis, yeah, we'll be looking at. I'm lifetime member, still have to pay for liquidity program? No. If you are on the lifetime member, liquidity candle coming with it. Okay, depending on which version you are looking at. How do you use the coupon, sir? So how do you use the coupon? So once you are on the website, here, you can see, click here to join. Once you click here to join like that, okay, I've clicked here to join on the lifetime, and wait for the next page. Then you can use the coupon here. You see that coupon code, use it here and then apply coupon. That will take another $200 off your order, but it's only limited number. Okay, so now with that in mind, Gbpusd, this is the liquidity candle. Okay, now looking at gold and Gbpusd. This is why I exit gold, because it's approaching that choppy resistance line. Okay, Gbpusd looks very volatile. So let's now keep eye on GJ, and then we will be looking to gold when there will be news coming. Okay. There is a lot to take from here. Learning is the key here, okay? Not only learning, developing a very strong or the sound trading psychology. What is learning in trading is basically mostly having a very good trading psychology. What is trading psychology, or having a good trading psychology, mean also an important point, isn't it? It's mostly emotional resilience. Okay, so to be a trader, you need risk management, you need to learn the strategy, which both of them very easily taughtable, but emotional resilience is what most traders fail. Okay, so how can you master that emotional resilience? Do you think that you have that emotional resilience, or are you good at handling your emotion when you are trading? By saying maybe you'll be at the head of that game, let me know. Let us know. Only me, everyone will see that. Gbpusd was a great trade, Tony. Yes, it was a great trade. Yeah, absolutely. That's a liquidity candle. I think it's keep pushing down. We could hold it, but you know, it was a pretty good one, and I wanted to take that trade. ADP on that, it's pretty strong one. liquidity. Yeah, best time frame to consider liquidity candle. Okay, say NBC was, well, it can be considered any time frame depending on what time of the day you are trading. The full instruction given in the lessons of the liquidity candle. That's why it's not only the indicator, not only the strategy, but with the full understanding. For those who get access to the liquidity candle, there is a complete guidance based on, if you are trading on 15 minutes, it mostly relates to the news. So basically why liquidity candle is so fulfilled, so complete, is because it considers the fundamental, which very few trading strategy you'll find that consider the fundamental. So liquidity candle is mostly effectively used in combination with the news. So you can see that, let's say that in 10 minutes coming ADP non-farm employment change, right? And liquidity candle will be in conjunction with that news. So that's why JPY trade, like the GBP JP, was so powerful, because it was used in conjunction with, today there was a JPY news. So the tools also develop based on that. Now for those who got access to the liquidity candle, you should have got access to the lesson as well, and I would recommend you to right now, if you're not sure, go through the lesson. It's not a big one, it's a one complete video is enough to understand that. You go through that and then you'll see what is you need to consider. Still, if you have any question, you can let me know anytime, because the main goal here, we not only create trader, we give liquidity candle to the trader, so you can use that liquidity candle to trade like a smart money. Otherwise you're not gonna be profitable as a trader, guys. If you're trading like a retail trader, you're not gonna be. You have to trade like a smart money, and you need that liquidity candle to be like a smart money. Are you sure you want to be a smart money trader, or want to be a retail trader? Is very important. Do you sell the liquidity candle as a standalone product? No, because there's no point of taking a liquidity candle as a standalone product unless you see how I am using the liquidity candle in day-to-day trading, because all my trade that I post on the channel, I do explain and clearly explain. So it's a part of the mentorship program, so it's nothing in comparison with. So how do we start to analyze the pair? Okay, so how do we start to analyze the pair? Just by starting it. We'll be discussing on that. Actually, to think of it, every retracement make liquidity candle higher time frame, right? So to think, no, every retracement doesn't make liquidity candle. Thank you very much, appreciate. No problems, thank you. Every retracement doesn't make a liquidity candle, but liquidity candle is identical. Okay, and so we'll see what's happening. We saw that gold has got break below. Let's delete that, and now it's dropping down to the support. With the 15 minutes later, less than 10 minutes, there's news coming. I think we might see now break of this support, and then either rejection or bounce. I think we might see now break below, and then we could see that bounce. See the daily support here. Let me draw the daily support. gold. And okay, so you can see back to back on the 1 hour, 4 1 hour candle in a row from this trend line. We might see some downside here now. It might drop well below before moving up again. So short term downside possible on gold, and then with the news it might get a spike. So coming up, just a matter of 5 minutes. So there will be three very important high impact news coming. One is in 15 minutes, that means in 3 minutes. The other one will be CAD and dollar. And I think the market here got liquidity. Let's quickly look at dollar CAD as well, as there's a dollar CAD news coming. Looking at the daily, from the weekly, daily, 4 hour. Pretty choppy here on dollar CAD. And I think that we might see this market pretty possible for a bigger drop here on dollar CAD. Dollar CAD has formed a head and shoulder, breaking out of the structure. I don't see very good price action. Let's leave it there. After the price action, after the news, we can look for any entry at the moment. So gold is forming a price action that might ultimately. Do you think that gold gonna break, or you think that gold is bouncing back? What's your view on that with the upcoming news? In the meantime, traders, if you can join the free Telegram channel for more trade ideas, education every single day, and also you can learn and grow as a trader with me by joining here in the academy. We have few spots opened for the NFP. You can take the chance. The coupon is given additional discounted in the live chat. You can use it before it get expired. So okay, we see that it's happening. So the data has come out. Come on. I think not moving anywhere. Data is still not been coming out. Showing pending yet. Okay, 122k. So less than expected. How does this impact the gold price? Bouncing? Not moving anywhere. Waiting for the dollar and CAD news, or long week candle followed by you can see bounce pullback. Okay, the market is still not showing very impressive movement. So that means that in the next news that coming up on dollar and CAD might really give a good shift in the market. Guys, are you ready for that one? Thank you very much. Welcome, Patrick. Take one session on liquidity candle only. Announce in advance for that session. Yes, if you are on the mentorship, you can get access to the sessions that coming every Sunday, as well as we have the VIP live trading room. You can get access to that, all of them. I don't know why today the stream showing buffering. Okay, here we can see we have 12 minutes to go for the news. I think we might see, without a good amount of liquidity, it may not find enough strong fuel to bounce. And the next news is where we might see okay, patience. Patience is the key, isn't it? This is what the JC Livermore said, that money comes from sitting, not from trading. It's a metaphor for understanding how to be patient. And that's where the real trading is, because when you are patient, you are staying ahead majority of the retail trader. So it's all about being in the top, in the front. Share it. Please make a video on pin bar versus shooting star, because they look almost same besides color, and they both give both sides moves. There's no difference between a pin bar, shooting star, hanging man. They are just, different sides of the same coin. Right? So it depends on how you are using them. I would rather look at the picture rather than the definition. There's a big difference between the language and the picture. Okay, so language is, I don't know where it works in the brain, but the picture is the real thing. It's the our unconscious mind is based on picture. Okay, so that's why it's so powerful. There is a saying, I think, from a famous artist, maybe, the picture is worth 1,000 words or something like that. I forgot that fully, but picture is very important, right? Image. That's why you'll see that all the older or the ancient thing or the theory is based on symbolism, based on picture, because that's where the mind can understand. And even there is a language of this is the language of picture, is the language of the subconscious mind. What is the language of the universe? So there is a relationship with the language of the mind and the language of the universe, and that's how you can direct your life as well, how to be with that. So basically the language of the universe is energy, right? Feeling, emotion is the language of the universe. The universe only understand how do you feel, and your emotion is because we are connected via the energy, the emotion, all of them, right? And the picture is the image, is the language of the mind. So when we see something, we give an input in the mind, and based on that image, the emotion is generated, and that gives an electromagnetic signal or whatever signal to the universe to manifest what's coming in our experience. So that's how you can become your own driver of your life, isn't it? Wanna be? Absolutely. Being a trader is no different than being so. Bouncing back, thank you. I think it's dropped to 413. Thank you very much. I think, yeah. Awesome. Thank you very much for joining the live session, guys. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day, including live analysis, live strategies, trade ideas. And yeah, push that little bit up by giving a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I do post a lot of content, ideas, educational content every single day. Okay, so let's see what's happening here in this. We have 6 minutes to go for the big news coming, and then we might see the market might be moving. Gbpusd and gold, both of them currently in a way where it is still not much moving, but we secured some pip here on gold, 16 pip, 15 pip, based on some of you maybe have secured some more than this. That's congratulations. We see the likes is 42. Can you make it to 50? 8 more likes will give a little bit likable to this stream to the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so GJ is bearish, pretty strongly bearish. We'll be waiting to see further liquidity grab and then to enter. Thank you. Language of the universe is vibrations. Is the energy, the emotion. Amico, coach to me. The next few candlestick close will tell you whether the candlestick is shooting star or a pin bar. Yeah, so basically, yeah, so okay, gold has got that bounce, initial bounce, and we have 4 minutes to go. Now, if it is remaining bullish, we might see just continuation to the upside. Here's a doji formation. Yeah, so the language of the universe is vibration. Yeah, so it's a dimension. It's a okay. Thank you. Adjourn late for GBPJPY. Are you entering to buy or sell further? We will be waiting for. It's a bearish market, so at the moment I'm not thinking to buy. If possible, then we might sell. We had our previous trade pretty nicely closed with the liquidity candle. So this is the liquidity candle that we have secured here. Right, guys, so this is our early trade. So we had 2 trades today, both of them winner. So gold is bouncing again, and we might see now some movement here. Okay, waiting 2 more minutes. Alright guys, so hope that you're enjoying the live session. Make sure you give a thumbs up. We see 30 minutes retest of the 20 EMA, and then expecting a bounce. Okay, we can see retest, rejection, expecting a correction. All right, so waiting for 1 more minutes to go, and then to see how you go with that. I think we might see that now. Okay, massive bounce happen as I mentioned. So you see that bounce on gold, and now let me see the 1 minute chart. Okay, so there is a liquidity grab on the 1 hour. Very, very important price action at the moment. See the 1 minute to see what's happening. What do you think that it's gonna go? Let's see what's happening. So there is another one coming, pending home sales, which is on 12 a.m. Pretty important day today. Employment cost index 0.9%, so which is less than GDP on CAD is positive. So you see that pretty two of the news on DXY seem to be negative. What's happened with the DXY? How does this impact it? We saw that downside. Yeah, that's why we can see a break on DXY, and that break might lead this price to drop a bit downside, because both of this data coming to be not in favor with DXY, and therefore it might propel the gold price to the upside potentially. Let's see. Okay, very interesting price action here. How did this impact at GJ? See, there is an inverted head and shoulder. Pretty smart price action. So the 5 minutes. So on here, there's one here. Now, very impressively, this is 15 minutes on gold. That can act as a triple top drop, or this can act as a starting of another bullish move. But the trend is always our friend. as you know that's where you will be looking to see potential bounce. Okay, so the 5 minutes closing as a liquidity candle. Yeah, this is a 5 minutes liquidity candle. Okay, GBP having some upside here. Gold is okay. Now if it breaks down, we might see a complete breakdown. If it bounces, then we might see another wave of upside. That's why I was waiting to see either it is breaking down or it's bouncing back to the upside. So double top. Thank you. Need to be patient for another entry. News is 0.9%. I'm new to trading only for a month, so I will be here daily for advice and mentorship. David, yeah, if you are a new trader, you are welcome. Definitely you'll find something will transform your trading, like hundreds of traders trading with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Thanks for being here, and also make sure you check out everything. If you are a complete beginner, I know that many of the traders here are complete beginner. If you're a complete beginner, there is a free A to Z trading course available to you to get access. That free course will be definitely helpful to you. Here is everything is compacted. You can find link below this video for the free course. Let me see if the course link is there. I think free course is not linked in this video. Let me bring that up. Okay, looks like that. So I have a free A to Z trading course to share with you. Um, let me share with you in the live chat. I've shared with you in the live chat. So it's on the Vimeo. You can just log in for free, and then you can watch that. Welcome, David. Thank you. Okay, and let's see that here. Okay, we saw there is a potential inverted head and shoulder, and you see multiple. I think, my bias is still in the direction of the trend, but we need to wait, as I mentioned, um, to see exactly how the candle closing. It might even wait for the next news for a bigger move. There's nothing here moving, and GBPJPY is, let's see what's happening with the GBPJPY. And with the gold, three 5 minutes liquidity candle formation. So the bullish here, the price action, if we look at this trend line, it's grabbing liquidity from this support, multiple lines. So this is the support here, support here, support here, support here, support here. Now it's an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so basically after 3 liquidity candle, it's getting a bullish candle formation. Price action, it looks potentially, there's middleman. So we have another news coming on 1 hour 15 minutes from now, and just testing the reward. I'm still not entering, guys, so just looking to see. Further drop possible. You see, this is the 5-minute chart, and there is a weakless candle, and there is huge liquidity below this level. If the market grab liquidity from here and then bounce, that's where we can look for bullish entry. That's where I will be looking to buy. At the moment, it's in a sideway. I think GJ has had a bounce, which is pretty strong bullish, bearish price action, but it's approaching a resistance line on Gbpusd. Some of the levels that we can look at to see if it is coming, then we can look for entry. And in the meantime, traders, make sure you give a thumbs up. Join the free Telegram channel for more ideas, content like that. And in addition to that, also, if you want to join the same broker that I'm trading, you can find link below this video. And also I can share with you the link in the live chat. So you can use the same recommended broker to register. Okay, so now this is very narrow, choppy, and the only thing that we can do here is to wait for the market to break and then to give us opportunity. It's not strongly trending at the moment. keeping eye on both GBP and on gold. I hope that now you have sounds. Okay, that's pretty okay, now it's working. Pardon me. I think there was a pretty unusual thing happen. Should have an audio now. Suspecting it, but lucky that you guys let me know. Okay. The market is forming on gold again in the 5 minutes, also inverted head and shoulder. For me, the bias is to the upside on gold, but it's a very narrow range, so I'm not still entering, but the bias for me is towards the upside. So with that said, we'll start the giveaway now for the liquidity candle. Guys, this liquidity candle coming up with full lifetime access. So one of you lucky winner will get access to the liquidity candle like we did before. And so what is liquidity candle? Just to see that this is where if we look at a bit higher time frame, it's much easier to understand. So 1 hour, there is a liquidity candle here, and liquidity candle not only coming with this liquidity indicator, but also coming with the full strategy as well as the explanation of all of them. So if you haven't got access to the liquidity candle, we have few spots to take, but today one of you will get this access to the liquidity candle. So I'm writing here liquidity. So this is the keyword. So you can start posting on the live chat liquidity. So let's see. Get in competition, guys. Three members already. So if you write liquidity, it's gonna be there. Five eligible members. Keeping up. 5. Can write. Bush. So anyone writing liquidity will be in the competition. So the keyword here is liquidity. Bed. Okay, so you see 7 eligible members. Waiting for everyone to show up. Nine eligible. Okay. 12. It's awesome. 13. 15, 16. Let's make it to 20. 17. Okay, so I'll be rolling it. And the music. Pumpy. $20 eligible members. So let's begin. Let me roll it up. 1, 2, 3, 21 eligible members. Al Maruf. Congratulations, Al Maruf, to get access to the liquidity candle. So Al Maruf has got winner of the liquidity candle. Congratulations, Al Maruf. So to claim your liquidity candle, that means that full lifetime access to Forex Trading Wizard Academy along with all the strategies as well as the liquidity candle. The only thing that you need visit the website and then go to the contact us page, and then let us know that you were the winner with your email address. We'll directly send back to you the liquidity candle along with the lifetime access. In addition, if you haven't won the liquidity candle but still you can get access to the liquidity candle today, we have few spots to take. The only thing that you need, visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com, and once you are on the website, scroll down and you will find this is the lifetime access. Click here to join. So once you click here to join, which is another additional $200 coupon available today, which is only sudden discount the mentorship, for the mentorship. And let me bring that up, that coupon, probably you guys have seen that. So use that coupon here. You can find it somewhere in the live chat. Let me share with you. There's that. Everyone can find it now. So you should see at the top of the chat or somewhere that was given, you can use this coupon here and then click apply coupon, and then you can get another additional $200 off. Thank you for this. And with that said, it was a great session with all of you. We had 16 pip on gold with this live session, along with the VIP trade that we had on Gbpusd was also pretty massive, 80 pip on GJ today using the liquidity candle. If you want to experience that, also join the free Telegram channel, where also you can find all the education, free education given, also available in the free